Today we are going to be doing the brother versus brother who knows me better pie face challenge. Woo! Hello everybody, welcome back to Kids Cooking and Crafts. Today I'm going to see which brother knows me better. I have a whole bunch of questions in my bucket here.
And we have to answer them.
But there's a twist. If you get the answer wrong, then you have to do the pie in the face. You guys each have a book and a Sharpie. I'm going to draw a question out of my bucket, and you guys have to write down your answer. Don't let each other see. You can't even let me see.
I have a bold prediction. Cru's gonna lose, okay? Cru's gonna lose.
When did you have the time to draw that?
First question. What's my favorite holiday?
St. Patrick's Day.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. What did you put?
I put birthday.
I guess mine.
I put birthday because it's all about Ava.
That's true.
She likes stuff to be.
But no, not everybody celebrates it. Like, not a lot of people celebrate it. So it's not really
Still a holiday.
I guess it's a holiday for me.
Cru's disqualified.
Anyway, Corbin was right. Yeah! You ready, Cru?
Each time we get it wrong, we have to do 3 clicks.
Ready?
Oh boy.
Yes!
And it only took 1. That's just how my life goes.
Next question. I guess I'll do this one. What's my favorite animal? Time's up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Dog, dog. It's a dog, dog. Horse.
Dog, dog, and a horse.
Dog, dog.
Dog, dog.
Well, one of you was right. It is Corbin!
Yeah!
Oh.
Dang it! Next question. For dinner, what would I like more? Spaghetti or lasagna?
I don't actually know how to spell it.
You spell it like
I
this.
hope that's right. Wait, is it with a Z or an S? It's an S.
S.
Corbin.
Oh, what? It's an S. Lasagna. 3, 2, 1, go. Ding, ding, ding. I love lasagna. Lasagna.
She still doesn't know how to say it though.
Okay, next question. Do I like summer or winter more?
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go.
Summer, summer.
Mine is better.
Well, you guys were both wrong.
Nuh-uh.
What?
Liar.
What?
No.
It's winter.
No.
Because I get to go snowboarding, yeah, like
No,
this.
there's
and
no school in the summer.
I guess that's true. But still, it's really hot and there are flies and flies bug me because they're bugs. You get it? Each of you has to do 3 clicks.
Goodbye, cruel world.
1.
Oh no.
3.
No!
Next question. What is my favorite color? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm so sorry.
You gotta be kidding me.
It's green. 2, 3. Oh, you're saved this time, buddy. How old am I? 3, 2, 1, go. Such magnificent questions. 11. Correct! Yeah! I am 11 years old.
I know the age of my sister.
Moving on. What's my favorite fruit?
Favorite fruit?
Here, I'll tell you guys.
I'm going with
Papaya!
No! Papaya is disgusting. Comment down below if you like papaya. I don't. I had a bad experience with it. We may not speak of it.
Okay.
It's yours. Stalls. Oh no, go! Oh, Cru.
I knew it was the mango. I was just overthinking it.
Mango. No, kiwis are really good. 1.
This plan backfired!
Oh.
Hey, you got a little bit of something on your face.
Oh, really?
What size of shoe do I wear? No, you can't.
Oh, it doesn't say on it anyway. Dang it.
I don't know. 3, 2, 1, go.
I don't know women sizes.
I don't
like
either.
12 is like
Guys, I'm a 5.
Yeah, I'm 5 in the
I got the closest. Does that mean he gets
No,
five?
not an adult.
No.
Guys, I'm sorry, but you're both wrong. I'm a 5.
I caught going first.
3 turns. 2,
Yes.
3. Okay, Corbin, your turn. 1, 2, 3.
I was so close.
We have 3 questions left. Ooh, this is a good one. What do I usually play during break at school?
I don't know. Gossip.
Time's up. Put down your marker. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 4 square, 4 square. No.
It's tag, isn't it?
Not just any tag, zombie tag. It's super fun. You're gonna lose.
Go, come on, come on.
Yes!
It's like a fluffy white cloud on your eyeballs.
Why? Why is it always me?
1,
2, 3.
yes!
Ready? What color are my eyes?
Dang it.
Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3. Go! Brown, blue-ish.
Green.
What the crap?
An eyeball.
Corbin was right.
Yeah, bluish green.
I'm gonna get hit in the face again.
1, 2. Ah!
One-eye Willie.
That's it. I give up. We might as well just start pouring the whipped cream all over my face.
Wait, but we have one more question. Who's my favorite YouTuber? Nah. Get off your phone.
Let me look it up.
Okay.
I don't remember her name.
Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Collins Key or Rosanna Cake Lady.
I just
Well,
know she makes a lot of cake.
sorry to say this, but Corbin, you were wrong.
Was I right?
I was right.
I shouldn't give you the cake lady's name.
Yeah! Shout out to you, Rosanna.
Oh, that
You
was
are my hero.
He didn't even get any on him.
Oh no! Alright, stop it. Who knows me better? The answer is Corbin! Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, you're back! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what we should do for our next video. See you guys next time. Bye!
No, I'm good.